Hello everybody and happy Wednesday. Hope you all had an amazing day today. I do apologize for being behind the camera for this video. For some reason my current camera is acting up. I want to use my new camera, but I had to buy the right camera cord, and unfortunately I did not. So the new one is currently being shipped from Amazon. Hopefully it'll be here in a few days for my next video coming on Sunday. But on top of that, I also slept with my neck wrong last night and I'm having problems with my neck today. So for all those reasons, that is why I am behind the camera for this video. But hopefully I will be all set for my next video coming on Sunday, like I said. But let's jump right into today's video. First, taking a look at a view that we saw just a few hours ago from our Skycam in downtown Myrtle Beach. A beautiful day to say the least. Plenty of people taking advantage of this amazing beach day. A very hot day to say the least, with temperatures in the low to mid 90s. That dew point is in the 80s, which is clearly telling us there is a ton of moisture in the air, which is making it feel even hotter than what it actually is. That heat index recorded at 108 degrees, so clearly another very hot and humid day in Myrtle Beach, to say the least. As we head into your day tomorrow, that's when our next system will be arriving in our area, and this system will be bringing around our next chance for some strong to potentially severe thunderstorms. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 2 out of 5 risk, or a slight risk, for our whole entire area, with our primary threats being a few isolated damaging wind gusts and possibly some quarter-sized hail as well. This will include our whole entire viewing area, so please just be sure that you are staying weather aware as we head into your day tomorrow. As far as the timing of this goes, nothing in the way of rainfall for the first half of your day and right on through your lunch hour as well. But as we head into your 3 o'clock hour, some scattered showers, maybe even some thunderstorms will be possible across the PD and on the border belt. Nothing in the way of storms or rain activity across Horry and Georgetown counties. As we head into your 5 o'clock hour, this will be our best chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially across the PD and on the border belt. Nothing in the way of rainfall, or excuse me, only a very small chance of rainfall across Horry and Georgetown counties at this point in time. As we head towards your 6, 7, and 8 o'clock hours, this will be when our best chance of rain will be across Horry and Georgetown counties and the rest of our Grand Strand communities. But thankfully, everything will be out of here as we head into 9 o'clock. So really the time frame for this goes really anywhere from 3 to 8 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. So here's a look at tomorrow's forecast in a nutshell. A very hot and humid day, to say the least. We're looking for probably mostly sunny skies for the first half of your day, with temperatures starting out in the upper 70s to around 80, warming up to the upper 80s to lower 90s as we head into your lunch hour. Then we bring around that chance for a few showers and maybe even a severe storm as well as we head into the afternoon hours, with temperatures topping out in the low to mid 90s. Temperatures gradually falling back into the mid to upper 80s as we head into your evening hours. Most of the rain should be out of here by this point in time. Only a very small chance of rain, particularly right along the immediate coastline. Heat indexes tomorrow in between 105 and 108 degrees. As we head into your day on Friday, a much better day to say the least, under probably sunny skies. Another very hot day though, to say the least. Temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 90s, by far the hottest day of the week, with heat indexes in between 104 and 107 degrees. So please be sure that if you are going to be outside on Friday, you are staying hydrated and also limiting your time outdoors. Please be sure that you are taking a lot of precautions considering how hot it will be. Let's take a look at your house hunting forecast, probably sponsored by Miss Vicki Durkin and Remax Southern Shores. A typical summertime day, or excuse me, typical summertime pattern for our area, to say the least, under probably the mostly sunny skies for both your Saturday and Sunday. We're looking for a chance for a few isolated showers and storms as we head into the afternoon hours as that sea breeze heads inland, but definitely not a widespread event by any means at all. Temperatures starting out in the low to mid 80s for the first half of your day, warming up into the mid to upper 80s and possibly even the lower 90s as we head into the second half of your day. And before we get into the 10 days, I also want to mention that there is no current threats in the tropics and really over the next 10 days as well. Let's take a look at your extended 10-day forecast. First off, for our friends right along the immediate coastline, the heat is on over the next several days. Friday will by far be the hottest day of the week, topping out at 94 degrees, and then we are really topping out in the upper 80s to around 90 every single day, with our typical summertime rain chances here in South Carolina. Overnight lows will be falling into the mid to upper 70s, and as you head inland, a very hot next few days, to say the least. 95 tomorrow, 96 on Friday, and then we're gradually working down into the lower 90s as we head into the weekend and all throughout next week as well, with our typical summertime rain chances here in South Carolina. Overnight lows that is, will be falling into the low to mid 70s. I hope you all have an amazing Thursday.